Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with an update on your forecast for the rest of this Monday and all of this week. As early this afternoon, rain very limited as we have seen enough sunshine to quickly warm temperatures into the 90s over much of the ArkLaTex this afternoon. And you can see the very spotty nature of the showers. It still looks as though we will see a little bit of an uptick in the coverage of the scattered showers and thunder showers later on this afternoon. We continue to watch upper level high pressure, which is centered to the east of the ArkLaTex. We will eventually see this expand towards the south and west and eventually end up over the western sections of the area during the next 7 days. And we'll also have some developments in the tropics here in the next 7 days as well. Meantime, over the next few days, Robin's Toyota Futurecast shows that any of those pop-up showers or thunderstorms that develop across the region this afternoon will begin to dissipate once we start to get past sunset this evening. Tonight looking mostly cloudy. Again, once the rain ends, that's pretty much it for tonight. And then tomorrow, again, that scattered shower thunderstorm will be possible, but it does appear as if the coverage will be very, very limited tomorrow. A little bit of rain possible tomorrow night, but again, Wednesday, not much as far as rain. If that area of rain you see here with Futurecast does develop, it will shift to the northern sections of the region, as it does appear as if we will not see much at most locations as far as rainfall from now through the middle of the week. As far as rainfall potential, this is the latest 2-day outlook from Futurecast, and you can see most areas in this light blue. In fact, let me click on some of these light blue areas, and you can see those areas basically 1/4 inch or much less. Notice these areas of green. That's where the model indicating we could have a few spotty locations that pick up a quick inch of rain with any of those pop-up thunderstorms, especially this afternoon, as well as any that develop tomorrow and Wednesday. But again, very isolated for tomorrow and Wednesday. Overall, the weather pattern, you can see that upper level ridge, how it's gradually going to sit over the eastern seaboard and then expand towards the south and west. As that happens, it will shut off the rain and crank the heat up again. And you can see it will eventually become centered more to the southwestern sections of the country, and that will allow the chance for the scattered shower or thunderstorm to return by the middle part of next week, as you'll see in the 10-day forecast here in a second. In the tropics, we are watching a disturbance in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. There is a hurricane hunter on the way to that system. Wouldn't shock me to see the Hurricane Center start issuing advisories either later on this evening or tonight with this system. It does appear as if it's going to move into southwest Mexico, and its impact on our weather will be very, very limited. But you can see it will produce heavy rain over the south half of Texas, with anywhere from 5 to 10 inches possible. The amounts will be obviously much lower due to the fact that we are well to the north of the influence of this potential tropical system. But it's something we'll have to keep an eye on. Obviously, if it does move more towards the north, then we would be in line to get more rain. But right now, it doesn't look like that's going to happen. So tonight, expect a mostly cloudy sky. It will be warm and humid. Any of those pop-up showers and thunderstorms will end this evening. 74 tonight in Shreveport, 70 degrees in Texarkana, 71 degrees in Natchitoches. Tomorrow, expect, again, the small chance for the stray, mainly afternoon shower or thunderstorm. Temperature should be pretty close to 90. 90 in Shreveport, Texarkana, and Marshall, 88 degrees in Minden. And your 10-day forecast shows that iffy chance of rain returns Wednesday. Then we're dry and hot for the rest of the week, with highs warming back up into the mid to upper 90s. We could flirt with 100 degrees by next Sunday. And you can see that chance for the scattered thunderstorm returns by the middle part of next week. So if you need some rain, keep your fingers crossed, especially this afternoon. That's probably going to be your best chance of seeing some rain. Other than that, we will eventually lose the hope of rain and crank up the heat again as we head towards this weekend.